I've never seen anything like this before on a robot vacuum, so you gotta check this one out. I partnered with Ecovacs to show you their brand new flagship, the X12 OmniCyclone. This might be the most advanced vacuum when it comes to hard surface flooring and carpet, so let me show you what it can do, and I guarantee that it will solve at least a few pain points when it comes to cleaning your house. Yes, those are focus jets that are spraying out from the vacuum, and we'll talk about that in just a little bit. But first, let's do a quick unboxing so you'll know what comes in the box when you pick one up. Make sure you check current pricing on the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. There are always deals and special promotions, and it also depends on when you catch this video, so I'll leave some links down in the description so you can see if the price fits your budget. I like how the packaging is very straightforward. You get everything that you need to get started. You do get two detergent types included, heavy duty and a regular solution, and I'll show you why a little bit later. And you won't have to do much to get started. Just put some clean water in the tank. The other one is the dirty water tank. Put some cleaning solution in these dedicated containers here and just download the Ecovacs app. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy, this is as easy as it gets. It will take you through the process step by step with voice guided instructions. Then just let the vacuum do an initial map run of your house. A quick map will be built of your home, and then you'll be ready to just let the X12 OmniCyclone get to work. If you're familiar with Ecovacs vacuums in the last few years, the design doesn't look too different, but it's always clean with a magnetic cover. Underneath it is where the dust canister is, so if you need to empty it manually or do some maintenance, this is it. But this thing is packed full of tech, so let me break it down by different cleaning types so it's easier to understand. First, I want to talk about mopping because in my opinion, this is one of the biggest reasons to get a flagship Ecovacs vacuum. Most competitor flagship vacuums come with dual spinning mops and they're not bad whatsoever, but this roller mop system is superior for a couple of reasons. First is that the mopping system is self-washing and the mop gets cleaned with a constant fresh water supply along with the scraper here. So if it picks up something like a wet sauce stain like this, it is not going to smear this all over the floor. So if you've experienced sticky floors after you vacuum his mop, then this will significantly lower that pain point. What's new this year is the Focus Jet Stain pre-dissolving technology, which takes hard surface flooring cleaning to the next level. If you have a stubborn stain that has dried on, these Focus Jets will hit it with a continuous 3-second cross-jet pattern with high pressure nozzles at 46,000 pascals to help soften and pre-treat that stain. Like I said, I've never seen anything like this on a robot vacuum before. So if you have a lot of hard surface flooring like I do in my house, then you should definitely consider the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. So let me know if you can benefit from this technology in your house. Even if you won't use this feature, you can turn it on or off in the app, which is nice. Mopping is one of the best on the market, so you won't be disappointed. And with the upgraded True Edge 3.0 tech, it gets closer to the edge than previous models that I've tested. And the thing that I appreciate is the side of the mop won't bash up your baseboards or walls because it's nice and padded. And you also get two solution canisters here on the base, a regular strength and a more concentrated, so if your house is dirtier than usual because you had a lot of foot traffic that day, the system can intelligently determine which one to use and get the best clean. So it's little things like this that make me appreciate this vacuum. Vacuum performance is equally good, and you'll see that in just a little bit, but I think another pain point that the OmniCyclone model solves is spending money on replacement bags. This is a completely bagless system. With this, you don't have to worry about running out of extra bags or wasting money on replacement bags. This comes right out and it's really easy to empty and clean, so you're gonna save some money in the long run, which is a bonus. But if you prefer the replacement bags, there is a model with bags, so you have choices. If you have a lot of carpet in your house, then I wouldn't worry. The X12 OmniCyclone has up to 22,000 pascals of suction power, and it also features a bigger airflow duct design coupled with high efficiency motors, so this means you will have comparable suction power with vacuums that boast higher suction numbers. This brush structure helps pick up chunkier messes like cereal without a problem, and it is also anti-tangle by directing the hair towards the center. So here's an example of how it does on my rug with hair and cereal all mixed in. And what's great is you don't have to worry about choosing mop or vacuum. You can do both at once since the roller does have up to 15 millimeters of lift. But for me, I choose the option where it vacuums first, then mops after. I get the best results that way, so I don't have to worry about cross-contamination at all. Another pain point that's addressed is for people that have larger homes, the vacuum will die before it can finish cleaning. Then you have to wait 2 to 3 hours for the vacuum to charge before it completes the clean, but not with the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. This has power boost charging, very similar tech to what you get in your smartphone. So what's neat is when this vacuum goes back to clean the mop, it can get up to 12% charge in a 3-minute wash cycle. So think about it like this. During the clean cycle, if your vacuum goes back to wash the mops 4 times, then that can give up to 48% 30% extra charge, so that significantly increases your runtime. And you don't even know it's happening since it's all just doing it in the background, so you'll ultimately be rewarded with your home being cleaned faster and more efficiently, which is always a bonus. This battery tech is closer to electric vehicles, so you don't have to worry about its longevity. And Ecovacs says this vacuum supports a maximum single charge coverage of 1,000 meters squared, which is over 10,000 square feet. So if you're that rich, then this will cover your mansion, no problem. I definitely do not have this problem. This is a flagship vacuum after all, so you aren't missing out on any of the features that you've seen on Ecovacs' past vacuums or competitors' products. If you have thresholds in your home, then don't worry about it because you'll get plenty of clearance with TruePass adaptive 4-wheel climbing tech. The AIVI 3D 4.0 has structured light sensors, so you'll get intelligent obstacle avoidance. You can see how close that it gets to my dining room legs here, so the sensor stack is great. You also have so much customization in the Ecovacs app, so you can dial in that clean that you actually want. You can choose the order of the rooms that the vacuum cleans. There's tons of settings for carpet if your home is more carpet heavy. There's also a light at night, so your cleans will be better in the dark. And you also have access to the camera on the front of the vacuum for live view. This is great if you need to check on a part of your house when you're not home, or if you just want to check up on your pets. So you can think about it as a side security camera. You also have Eco, which is a voice assistant built in that you can trigger so many voice commands with. Look at the amount of cleaning options that you have here, from auto cleaning, area cleaning. You can even voice command it to vacuum under the bed only, schedule to clean in an hour, tell the vacuum to clean a section again if you think it needs it, tell it to go back to the base station. I mean, to be able to do all this in the app is neat. And you don't have to buy a separate voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, so that's awesome. But if you do want to integrate this into your smart home and make it a part of your daily routines, then you have Matter support here as well. So no matter what type of home or smart home that you have, this setup will be really easy. Even though you do have this many options, you don't have to use any of it. Just let AI agent mode go to work and you'll have a great clean every time. But it's nice to have access to these cleaning modes: suction power, water flow rate, cleaning speed, and cleaning passes, all right here. Super easy to get to. So overall, if you're looking for a flagship robot vacuum, then you need to put this on your short list. I think for families of all sizes, and especially for people who are living in larger spaces, this vacuum solves so many pain points of cleaning that I think it's worth looking into. No more replacing bags, possibly the best mopping system money can buy with the new Focus Jet tech. Vacuum is powerful and efficient. You don't have to worry about pet hair getting tangled up. The app is robust. The cleaning is customizable. The design is clean and unassuming. This is a solid contender. All performance, no frills. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you pick one up. I'll leave some links down below so you can check current pricing and if you need more info. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if this video helped you out in any way, then make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one.